Hello my students, today we are going to talk about Unit 3. The title of our unit today is Animal Kingdom. Let's know some information about this unit. We are going to explain lesson 1. Pupils book page 43 and 45 and 44, 44. Let's know our new vocabulary words. Let's know our new vocabulary words in this lesson. The first word we have is dance. Dance. Dance is a verb. The present of this verb is dance, and the past of this verb is danced. Danced. For example, bees dance in the air. Bees dance in the air. The second word is weigh. Weigh. For example, bees tell other bees. Bees tell other bees the way to the flower. Bees tell other bees the way to the flower. Weigh. Weigh. The next word is wings. 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 For example, a bee has 2 wings. A bee has 2 wings. The next word is hive. 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 For example, bees live in the hive. Bees live in the hive. Okay? The next word is honeycomb. 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 For example, bees fill the honeycomb with honey. Bees fill the honeycomb with honey. Honeycomb. Honeycomb. Okay? The next word is beekeeper. 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 For example, the beekeeper collects honey. The beekeeper collects honey. The next word is fell. 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 Fell is a verb. The present of this verb is fell, and the past is felt. Felt. Fell, felt. For example, bees fill the honeycomb with honey. Bees fill the honeycomb with honey. Okay? Now, open your student's book, page 43. Let's listen to the recorder and answer the questions.
Grade 4, Unit 3, Animal Kingdom, pages 43 and 44. Listen and answer.
Thank you for the honey, Sarah. It was delicious.
That's okay, Brainy. Where does honey come from?
Bees make honey.
It's hot and sunny today. There are lots of bees in the garden.
What do bees do, Hamad?
They fly from flower to flower. Watch those bees. They're going to make honey.
Clever bees.
Yes, they are very clever. They have their own language too.
You mean they can talk?
No, but they dance in the air to tell other bees the way to the flowers.
Let's complete our recording.
What are you doing, Brainy?
I'm dancing. It's bee language. It means I'm hungry I want more honey.
Oh, Brainy, you are funny.
Now, let's answer the questions after we listen to the recorder. Here, read the story, mark true or false if the sentence is incorrect, find and underline the correct answers in the story. Bees make honey. Is it true or false? It's true. That's right. Okay? Number 2, the weather is cold and rainy in the story. Is it true or false? It's false because the weather is sunny and warm. Okay? Number 3, bees fly from flower to flower. That's right. It's true. It's true. They fly from flower to flower to make honey. Okay? After that, let's answer these questions. Number 1, why did Brainy thank Sarah? The answer is here, because she gave him honey. Number 2, when can we see bees? We can see bees in hot and sunny weather. Okay? Here in this page, use the following questions to write a short paragraph about honey. Number 1, the question. Number 1, why does honey come from? Where does honey come from? The answer is below. Bees make honey. Bees make honey. Number 2, the question number 2, how do bees make honey? The answer is below. Bees fly from flower to flower to make honey, or to collect honey, to make honey. Yes. Number 3, what is bees' language? The bees' language is dancing. The bees' language is dancing. Number 4, why should we eat honey? Because honey is healthy. Okay? So this is our sentences about bees and honey. Okay? Bees make honey. Bees fly from flower to flower. Bees dance in the air. Dancing is bees' language. So bees make honey because they fly from flower to flower to make this honey, and they can dance in the air. And their language is dancing. Okay? Let's write the missing words or the missing letters in these words. Okay? Number 1, flowers. Number 2, hats. So the missing letters here, A and T. Books, the missing letters here, double O. Ears, the missing letters here, E and A. Necklaces, the missing letters here, C and K. Houses, the missing letters here, O and U. Bikes, the missing letters here, I and K. Bees, the missing letters here, E and S. Dresses, the missing letters here, E and S. Okay? Let's complete these spaces. Here we need sounds like S, and sounds like Z, and sounds like eyes. Let's see some words. Books, hats, bikes, flowers, bees, ears, ears. Houses, is houses. Necklaces, says. Dresses, says. Okay? We have a grammar rule right here. Be attention, please. The present symbol. The present symbol. The present symbol consists of the pronoun and verb. But here we have two types of pronouns: singular pronoun and plural pronouns. Singular pronoun like he, she, it, and plural pronoun like I, we, you, they. With singular pronouns, we must add s to the verb. For example, he plays, she plays, it plays. Okay? With plural pronouns, we will not add anything to the verb. For example, I play, we play, you play, they play. The basic form of the verb. Look here. Present simple consists of subject plus verb plus object. Here we have singular pronouns, he, she, it, verb with s, but plural pronouns like I, we, you, they, verb without s. Let's see some examples. Number 1, Ali usually eats his breakfast at 7 o'clock. Ali eats. Number 2, Mona swims in the pool every weekend. Number 3, it rains in winter. Number 4, they study English every day. They study English every day. Number 5, I always tidy my room. So they study, I tidy. Here the verb is without s. Let's see some more examples. I always get up early. I always get up early. He usually plays football. He usually plays football. She often helps her mother. She often helps her mother. They never sleep late. They never sleep late. Here, choose the correct answer. He always his breakfast. Eat, eats, or eating, eats. Okay. Number 2, we take care of animals. We take. Great. Number 3, they never studies late. They never study late. Okay? Here, open your student's book, page 45. Let's listen, then answer these questions.
Grade 4, Unit 3, Animal Kingdom, page 45. Listen and choose the correct answer.
B. Hive. Honeycomb. Beekeeper. Look at this bee. It has 2 small wings and 6 short legs. Bees make honey. First, they fly from flower to flower in sunny weather. Then they fly to the hive. There is honeycomb in the hive. Next, the bees make honey in the hive. They fill the honeycomb with honey. Finally, the beekeeper collects honey from the hive. Honey is delicious.
After we listen to the recorder, let's answer the following questions. Number 1, the text is about, let's choose the correct answer from A, B, C or D. The text is about why we should eat honey, why bees make honey, how bees make honey, what a beekeeper wears, how bees make honey. Number 2, bees fly from flower to flower in weather, in sunny weather. That's great. Number 3, bees fill with honey. Bees fill the honeycomb with honey. Number 4, one of the following sentence about bees is not true. It's bees do not have 2 wings. This is not true because bees have got 2 wings. Okay? Now let's know the sequence words. Those are our sequence words today. We use them to write a short paragraph and to arrange our ideas and our events. Okay? First, then, next, and finally. Let's read these words. First, I get up early. Then I pray and have my breakfast. Next, I go to school and study. And finally, I go back home. So we use these sequence words to arrange our ideas and to arrange our events. Okay? Here, how do bees make honey? Let's write some sentences using the sequence words. First, bees fly from flower to flower. Next, or then they fly to the hive to make honey. Next, they fill the honeycomb with honey. Finally, the beekeeper collects honey. So we use these sequence words to arrange our ideas. Okay? Thank you my students, and I wish you have a good time. Thank you.